Get ready for a journey to a fascinating world in which drones are playing an increasingly important role, providing new opportunities and benefits for enterprises. Their versatility and precision mean that more and more industries decide to use drones in their activities, and we will show you how you can do it. Technology is increasingly becoming integrated with business activities. One example is the presence of drones in various areas of business. The construction sector has welcomed drone services with open arms, seeing them as an excellent method of cost optimization. Photographic documentation from the construction site provides the investor with specific data on the progress of work and also constitutes great marketing value. Thanks to UAV, it is possible to conduct an expert assessment of the condition of the facade and roof, quickly detect faults in the building structure, or monitor the technical condition. Drones can also be used for building insulation assessment and thermal imaging inspections. They show where the building has the greatest heat loss. Drones enable, among other things, very accurate measurements and the creation of 3D models. Using special software, they create a cloud of points that can be used to calculate, for example, the volume of a heap of earth. 3D mapping from a drone is helpful when implementing construction investments of various types: residential, service, and industrial. Orthophoto maps are used, i.e., to conduct plots inventory, create development plans, supervise the progress of construction works, and promote the investment after its completion. Few people perceive drones as an essential tool in modern agriculture. However, it turns out that accuracy, mobility, and speed of operation are undeniable advantages also in the agricultural production sector. Unmanned aerial vehicles allow to significantly reduce the costs of food production while increasing crop yields. Based on the intensity of the plant's color, the drone is able to assess their condition and apply fertilizer only where it is most needed. There are many possibilities. After adding the appropriate elements, you can also emit ultrasound, using the frequency to scare pests away, but also birds that destroy crops. Some models allow the preparation of area maps and orthophoto maps that are needed to establish drainage. What is also important is the ability of drones to immediately verify the status of harvest, which means huge time savings for large producers. It is already known that without digitization and automation of new technologies, a competitive and efficient agricultural economy will not be possible. Field inspections often pose risks for workers, especially in the case of photovoltaic installations located at heights. The use of drones eliminates the need to climb roofs or perform other dangerous activities, which translates into increased safety of employees. The use of drones allows you to shorten the inspection time by 70% compared to the traditional method. Drones provide photovoltaic farm managers with accurate data that can be analyzed for any anomalies and deviations from the norm. 3D mapping technology allows for the analysis of the area's topography and the optimal arrangement of panels to maximize the absorption of solar energy. The ability of drones to cover huge distances and provide high-resolution aerial photos has enabled many companies to optimize costs when performing dangerous or labor-intensive tasks. Clean windows and facade improve the company's image and the comfort of building users. Drones are adapted to work at heights, allowing for effective cleaning of hard-to-reach areas, such as corners, roof edges, and other places that are difficult to reach for people. Drones are equipped with special systems for applying detergents, ensuring excellent results without the need to use scaffolding or lifts, which translates into the safety of operators and eliminates the risk of damage. The main advantage of low-pressure washing is the lack of risk of damaging the sensitive surface of the facade while applying it very precisely. This is extremely important when cleaning facades susceptible to high-pressure damage, e.g., mineral plaster. Washing with demineralized water hydrophobizes glass surfaces, which makes the glass stay clean longer. After evaporation, crystal clear water leaves no streaks or stains. Washing photovoltaic panels with a drone is a modern and effective method of maintaining high installation efficiency. Drones are equipped with precise navigation systems that enable thorough and gentle cleaning of panels, eliminating the risk of damage. Live drone broadcasts are a revolutionary form of transmission, especially in monitoring the progress of investments, such as construction. Thanks to drones, we can obtain high-quality aerial images in real time, enabling investors and architects, among others, to monitor the progress of work on an ongoing basis. This innovative form of transmission not only increases the efficiency of supervision, but also translates into better project management and faster decision-making, which ultimately accelerates the pace of investment implementation. Drone shows are not only a technology show, but also a demonstration of the possibilities of creative use of modern solutions. Drones moving synchronously in the sky, creating intricately planned patterns, or painting images with light at night are not only a spectacle for the eyes, but also a powerful tool of artistic expression. Drone shows fascinate and inspire, being a perfect example of the combination of science, art, and entertainment. Drones are not only a business tool, but also a way to implement social and ethical values that are important for every responsible organization. Therefore, introducing drones into your business may not only be beneficial from an economic point of view, but also have a positive impact on the company's image and its position on the market.